guys, Coin Engineer is back in the town. Listen up carefully because today we are going to learn how to pick potential altcoins. In the end of this video, I believe you will be able to pick your own altcoin and make some nice profit. Moreover, there are different playlists on our YouTube channel. Please watch these playlists to boost your knowledge and become a well-equipped coin engineer. In our previous video, we have talked about bull market and bear market. We know how to behave in different market cycles. I think if you didn't watch that video, please watch that video to be able to understand what bear market is and what bull market is. And let's jump into our video. Before we jump into our video, if you like to have more contents, please subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on to catch more videos like this. Okay. By the way, there are two types of individuals in markets. We have investor and we have trader. Investors are the ones holding their crypto for a long time, and traders buy and sell daily. We will be investors in this video and we'll wait for it with patience. The best money comes from bear market, to be honest, and investors make more profit than traders in a life cycle. Of course, there are exceptions like Jim Simons. If you don't know Jim Simons, please search this man. He's a very well-known man in investor market, and when it comes to algorithmic trade, he is literally father of algorithmic trades, and he has grown his capital 66% every single year in a row for 30 years. Nobody could even achieve this one. You know, even if you talk about Warren Buffett, you will agree with me, he's the best investor in the world. But this man, Jim Simon, is very far more successful than Warren Buffett when it comes to the rates. By the way, trade is very hard issue. Imagine like this. There are 100 people in a room and only, listen up carefully, only 5 to 10 of them make some money. The rest, unfortunately, loses before investing in crypto. First, you must know what trend we are in. Are we in DeFi, Metaverse, NFT, which? You have to find this out, okay? After finding this out, you can do your research in this area and find your potential altcoin. Okay, now I see that you don't know how to find your trend. It's not predictable to find the trend. Well, you may have some guesses, you may have some, knowledge-based predictions when you check Google Trends. Okay, now the website is trends.google.com. Okay, now we will type down a keyword, it will be Bitcoin. And now we are seeing a downtrend on Bitcoin. When you see daily search on Google, it's like 22. Last year in May, it was 100 times. Please check that date range and you will see the price of Bitcoin. Bingo! When you check the date range, you can see that something really huge happened on Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin had seen its all-time high right 2 days before. You see, 14th of April, it had seen all-time high, 65k. Only after 1 day, and that common week, we have seen a huge downtrend from 64 to 47k. So for that reason, it's very important to check the trends. Okay, so we can easily say that when the searches are already down, find that it's not in the trends. It can be a good time to invest it, right? And also, as you know, the cycle repeats itself. There were NFT and Metaverse trends in 2021, 2022. So do we really believe we won't have any more Metaverse trends? Of course we will have. When looking at the project prices, they are somehow fine. They are not that high, but they are not that low as well. Market cap of the projects are like moderate somehow, but we must search for different projects which haven't been shined yet. Okay, these projects will be low market cap projects. So what is low market cap projects? Basically, the projects valued under 150 million USD, let's say like this. So this is a fine project. So this metric only depends on you. There is no precise market cap to define a low cap or a high cap, but basically you can tell 150 million USD below that, this can be called low market cap, and higher than this one, it can be called high market cap. We will be having some steps to check our potential altcoins. So first of all will be market cap, second will be Certic, third will be Tokenomics, four will be roadmap, team, and also we will talk about basically these ones. Trust swap will be one of the example to talk about. Okay, basically when we see the price trends of the project, it's very low, right? We will talk about basically Certic. Why is that important? Because these projects are all about codes. So codes must be authorized, checked, audited by some projects, and Certic is one of them. We open Certic, and right here we will see if we have any critical things. As you know, we have different levels: critical, major, and the other one ones. So we only have informational falses right in the codes. And when you check these steps, all results, very fine sign. As you see, we have the second one. Now we will check this too. Okay, when you check this, you can easily see that some of them are fine. It has 4 green dots, but most are somehow fine. You can say that this project is more than moderate. And the other step will be tokenomics or token distribution. Both are same, guys. Okay, keep in mind. So bear in mind that it should be distributed very fairly, otherwise we will be having collapse on our tokens. When you see the staking, mining, move to earn, like 50% of the project will directly go to ecosystem of the Step app. I think everybody knows Step app. This project is a move to earn project after Steppen project, and now it has closed its public sale on DAO Maker, and in public sale we only had 14% of it. Okay, it's still moderate. I mean, it's fine. Marketing, acquisitions and licenses 15%. Okay, we don't have any VCs. What do I mean? Venture capitals. You know what venture capitals does? They only invest in cryptos and they wait for true time to sell these tokens. So the only reason why they do this is, of course, to make some profit. So when we have VCs in market, it's maybe a bit tricky for us because we can see sell pressure coming from VCs. So we have no VCs in this project. This is a nice one. I liked it. Right in this chart, we can see the inflation of the token as well. It's important to measure the inflation of the token. Okay, we will have another video right about this one. It's a bit long process. Total 100% of the project has 5 billion token. Okay, now the other step is our roadmap. You know, people believe in cryptos, people believe in things, believe in projects, and they invest in. So what makes them believe in the project is roadmap. This is one of the things, because if you don't show your future moves, how would you expect some investments in your project? And from the start, as you see, it has given some promises in August and kept September, kept October, kept November, kept December, kept, and it's moving on to 2022 Q1. We're writing this, and also we have seen IDO on Binance, as you remember, and also now we have the application of Steppen, so the project does it perfectly. And now we will wait for Q2 2022. Right, this part. Are we going to have the wallet with multi-chain upgrades? We will follow these steps. If they are successful, if they have done these ones, we will say that, okay, they kept their promises to. So this is a very nice sign to invest in the project. And when you see the team, it's important to check their backgrounds and also their knowledge. You not only put your money in crypto, at the same time, you become co-founder of the project. This is how it is. This is how it works. If you invest in, this means you are part of the project. So you have to hold it tight. Now we see the guys, Jerry Huang, sorry for my mispronunciation. Check their background, which projects they have worked for and stuff like that. We all the time talked about investing in crypto, and now what about the trader style? Now I will drop this link right in the description of our video. This CoinMarketCap website is all about the news about the projects in ecosystem. For example, Santos FC fan token will be listed on Gate.io. So now what can we do right on this? Basically, how can we define listing on an exchange? Listing on an exchange means to have more capital, to have more volume in project. Before, when we see this Gate.io listing, we have to search for different exchanges where we can find this Santos FC token. And when you check the price of Santos FC token, it's up almost 9%. Very nice sign. These kind of steps will be important to trade. For example, we've seen this project on MXC exchange. We go there, we buy this project, we wait for this token to be listed on Gate.io, and we will make our profit by selling with the average rates like 8%. This is very nice one. By following these kind of tactics, you can make some more profits. All right, I don't want to keep the video very long. That's pretty much of it. If you've got any questions or if you've got any topics in your mind you want me to create videos, you know what to do. Please write down it below and I'll try to shoot videos for you. Hope to see you in our next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.